Hello, I'm Dr. John Kahen of Beverly Hills Hair Restoration. Today we're going to be talking about Smart PRP. I've been implementing Smart PRP during my hair transplant procedure for more than 8 years, and I've been getting one of the best results in hair restoration. And the reason for that is the infusion of the platelet-rich plasma during the hair transplant process has increased the survival rate of the follicles and also the healing process as well. And because of that, we have a patented technology that is used exclusively at Beverly Hills Hair Restoration to deliver the best results. Why is it Smart PRP? Is the technology that we have to get the maximum amount of platelets, and the spinning process has enabled us to deliver the highest dose, which is beneficial to obtaining the best results. And with the true dose technology, we're able to deliver the optimal number of platelets to each patient. And the way it works is that the first step is we draw the blood, and we have a platelet counter that counts the number of platelets, and we also have a platelet counter that actually counts the number of platelets after the treatment. And this way it tells us that we are able to infuse billions of platelets into the patient and get the maximum results. So the process consists of drawing the blood during the hair transplant process, and after we make the little recipient side incisions, I infuse the platelets into the recipient area, and then we insert the follicles one by one. And then what we will do is it will nourish the follicles, it will increase the survival rate and also the healing process. I've noticed patients coming back for a 10-day follow-up, and we've seen a significant difference in the healing process. And also, once we see the patients back in a few months after the procedure, we notice the survival rate of the grafts has increased tremendously. Not all the PRP technologies are the same. I've been doing PRP hair restoration since 2008, maybe one of the first physicians to implement platelet-rich plasma during the hair transplant process, and also using platelet-rich plasma without a hair transplant procedure. And we have made the process to perfection. Patients can expect to see thicker, more voluminous, and most importantly, stronger, healthier hair.